How to enable contact suggestions on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Siri contact suggestions so your iPhone can recommend people when you share content, make calls, or send messages. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Siri and Search. Now, look for the section called Suggestions from Apple or Suggestions by Apple, depending on your iOS version. Make sure options like Show when sharing, Show in app library, and Show on home screen are turned on. These settings allow your iPhone to suggest contacts based on the people you interact with most often. You can also scroll down and select specific apps such as Messages, Phone, or Mail, then make sure Show Suggestions is enabled for those apps. On my device, some of these options may already be turned on, but you can adjust them based on your preferences. Once enabled, contact suggestions will start appearing in supported apps and sharing menus to help you quickly reach the people you contact most. And that's how to enable contact suggestions on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and productivity guides.